If your Philips Sonicare toothbrush isn't charging, don't stress. It's a common issue and usually something you can fix yourself. Start by checking the basics. Make sure the outlet you're using actually works by plugging in another device. Also confirm that the charger is fully connected and that you're using the original charger design for your Sonicare model, since some versions don't work well with third-party bases. Next, give everything a quick clean. Wipe down the bottom of the toothbrush and the charging base with a dry or slightly damp cloth. Toothpaste residue, moisture, or debris can interfere with charging, so gently remove any buildup. Let everything dry completely before trying again. Place the toothbrush back on the charger. Some models don't show a light right away or only flash occasionally. Position the brush directly in the center of the base and adjust it slightly if needed to make sure it's aligned properly. If the battery is totally drained, it can take a little while, sometimes 15 to 30 minutes before any light appears. Leave it on the charger for a full day if it hasn't been used for a long time. If your model has an indicator light, watch it closely. Flashing green or white usually means it's charging. Flashing orange or red may signal a low battery or an issue that needs attention. For models like the Diamond Clean, you can also try a soft reset by holding the power button for several seconds until you hear a beep or see the lights react. After that, place the toothbrush back on the charger and let it sit. If you have access to another compatible Sonicare charger, test your toothbrush on that one to see if the charging base is the problem. If it charges normally on the second base, then the original charger may have failed. But if none of these steps make a difference, the battery inside the brush may simply be worn out. Since most Sonicare toothbrushes have sealed batteries, replacing them yourself isn't an option. If you're still within the warranty period, Philips may replace the brush. If not, you can check with a local repair shop, although official repairs aren't always supported. And when all else fails, contacting Philips support directly is the best way to find out whether you qualify for a replacement, repair, or discounted upgrade.